According to a report, Johnny Depp was telling the truth, Amber Heard was not. One of the biggest media events of the past 10 years was the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard defamation trial, in which both estranged spouses sued one another for millions. Heard mainly lost the case because, in the words of one of the attorneys involved, she refused to own up. Amber Heard's controversial article in The Washington Post, in which she accused an anonymous former partner of abusing her at home, served as the case's catalyst. Her earlier accusations were plainly referenced in the Opus Ed, according to Johnny Depp and his legal team, who then filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against her. In retaliation, Amber Heard and her legal team countersued for an even more astounding $100 million. The lengthy trial featured testimony from both performers as well as a number of well-known witnesses, including supermodel Kate Moss and Walter Hamada, who was president of DC Films at the time. As a result of his nearly $10 million in damages and Amber Heard's relatively meager $2 million, Johnny Depp was widely seen as having won the lawsuit. In a recent interview with Fox Nation's Nancy Grace, one of Johnny Depp's most prominent attorneys in the case, Camille Vasquez, stated why she believed the Pirates of the Caribbean actor had prevailed. At the conclusion of her direct questioning, Amber Heard essentially lost the case, according to Camille Vasquez. In that courtroom, I believe you could cut the tension and discomfort with a knife. She lacked credibility. I don't think owned up to anything, Vasquez concluded. And while you are testifying, you must own up. To his credit, Johnny admitted that he had struggled with substance abuse his entire life. He admitted to using foul words in that particular connection. However, he vehemently denied ever touching Amber Heard or any other woman in his life. In the end, Vasquez stated, "The thing is, there were the moments that were significant that convinced the jury that Johnny Depp was telling the truth unanimously. Amber Heard wasn't there." The actual facts of the defamation lawsuit have been extensively examined in documentaries and discussed on social media, and both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard withdrew from the spotlight for a considerable amount of time until resurfacing recently. Johnny Depp recently starred in Jean du Barry, which premiered at the Cannes Film Festival, and is currently directing Maude, a movie on the life of the Italian artist Amedeo Modigliani, which he co-starred in with Al Pacino. The return of Depp to the Pirates of the Caribbean series or to a new picture with longtime collaborator Tim Burton have both been hotly rumored, although neither has been officially confirmed by Disney.